Alright YouTubers, you join me at the wheel of this beautiful Proton Satria which I collected today. Oh my god, what can I say? This car is absolutely lovely to drive. I'm not even joking, absolutely lovely. So I did have a bit of stress a minute ago because fuel gauge was a bit low and I was trying to find a petrol station, and yeah, let's just say I was going through a lot of country roads. Eventually got on the motorway and it said 6 miles to the next station. I thought, here we go, that's fine. So I wasn't worrying. Fifth gear, I was at about 3,000 RPM, you know. And guess what, it was shut. And I'm like, oh my god. But the pump still reset, so I didn't know there's night stuff on because it's like 1 in the morning. And I was ringing the doorbell, I tried the phone number, and then in the end I looked at the internet and it said it was temporary closed. I was like, you are joking. So I got back on the motorway and it said 16 miles to the next station. I was like, oh my god. And the needle is basically in the red. It had a little cough at one point. I was really stressing out. It's like 0 degrees outside. I just thought, if I get stranded, that's it, you know. But luckily managed to get fuel from another service station. Just about got there. I was driving super economical, 55 miles an hour, just tapping the throttle. And yeah, this car has got just under 9,000 miles from new, and yes, it feels like it. Absolutely tight as a drum. I can't believe the difference from my 96 model. Proton came a long way with this car. How did they not sell more? The only reason they didn't, I think, is because of the badge. Honestly, we've even got like soft touch. I'm not going to touch it because I've got my hand on the wheel, but we've even got soft touch like dashboard and everything. It's absolutely unbelievable, the quality of this thing. The engine, Mitsubishi, fuel injected, very reliable, lovely little unit. Honestly, if the UK was mad not to buy these, they were buying Ford Escorts and that instead, and you know, like, I think you were getting better value here all day long, honestly. But I just have this, like, it's a shame because, yeah, like I say, it's a shame because, sorry, my GoPro went a bit funny there. It's a shame that Proton wasn't more successful in the UK, because I could just imagine the showroom front all lined up with these. This is like a pearlescent metallic green, but imagine all lined up, one in like metallic red, a nice metallic blue, a gold colour. These would look brilliant. The shape is actually lovely. It's a lovely little thing. Obviously, like, based on the Mitsubishi Colt, I think it's the Colt. I might be wrong on that. But yeah, just lovely light steering, suspension lovely and soft, but or comfortable, but very, very stable. Honestly, it's I'm absolutely over the moon. This example's like showroom condition, and I got it for £850. I am absolutely over the moon with this car, and honestly, I just can't get over how nice it is. It just feels quality, and I'm not just saying that because I do own, and like I said, I do own another Proton, as some of you may know, from 1996, and yes, the quality is not there. I don't care myself, it's all plasticky and boxy and rattly and tinny. This is not rattling at all. Like I said, soft touch dashboard, there's soft touch on the doors. Everything feels really solid. You can tell Proton really stepped it up in their factories. And I love the gauges, the cluster, the orange and red there. It needs a bit of a clean, that's why it might be a bit blurry, but I'm trying to keep my head still as well. But that looks cool as well. I love the orange and red, and the needles are orange. Just what a car. But I'm absolutely loving this. I got 100 miles left to go. It's running absolutely beautifully. It's probably the longest journey this car's ever done. it's done about 20 miles in the last 4 or 5 years, and I actually was lucky enough to meet it's a one-owner car, lovely old lady. She came out and spoke to me for a bit, and the family said she's going to miss it, but it just wasn't getting used. So like I said, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with this, and I'm going to look after it. Hope it serves me well for many more miles. These are rare in the UK. I'm actually like, I'd love to get a GTI now one day. This is just the 1.3, but for an entry level Satria, I'm impressed. The GTIs must be quite something, but yeah, they go for a bit more money, and yeah, just these are rare in themselves in the UK. I'm even trying to find videos on YouTube of Satrias in Malaysia is hard. There is one guy who done a few vlogs who has a white one. Shout out to you, mate. Watched a few of your videos before I bought this. Yeah, you said it was a lovely car with the miles that was on your one, that your friend was selling, and this one is absolutely lovely. So oh, what a car. I'll do some more videos of this at some point. I'll do a walk around, and yeah, I'll try and adjust my GoPro. I'm still getting used to it. I'll take off this silly head strap now. So I don't want to look around because obviously it's dangerous, but yeah, luckily it's got a wide lens. So anyway, that's all I've got to say for now. Get in there, look after yourselves, guys, drive safe, and happy motoring.